Hey friends! You are running a business or working on a project or want to be productive, so you are at the right place. So today's video where we'll explore 4 powerful tools that can significantly enhance your productivity like most of the famous YouTubers and businesses. Whether you're a student, professional, or anyone looking to streamline their work, these tools have got you covered. The first app we are going to talking about is Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace and collaboration platform that allows users to create and organize notes, documents, databases, tasks, and more. It provides a flexible and customizable workspace where individuals and teams can collaborate in real time. Notion's features include the ability to create pages, tables, boards, and calendars, making it a versatile tool for project management, note-taking, and knowledge organization. The next app we are going to talk about is Cron. Cron is a task automation tool that helps you schedule repetitive tasks, ensuring that important processes are executed on time without manual intervention. From system maintenance to running scripts, Cron simplifies routine tasks and frees up your time for more valuable work. Let's come on to the Superhuman Mail. Superhuman Mail is a productivity-focused email client designed to enhance your email experience. With features like snooze, follow-up reminders, and lightning-fast search, it transforms your inbox into a well-organized and efficient communication hub. The next on the list is Arc Browser. Arc Browser is a powerful web browser that prioritizes speed, security, and customization. Its minimalist design coupled with advanced features like ad blocking and private browsing makes it an excellent choice for users who want a streamlined and secure internet browsing experience. Incorporating tools like Notion, Cron, Superhuman Mail, and Arc Browser into your daily routine can significantly boost your productivity and efficiency. Experiment with these tools to find the perfect combination that suits your workflow and watch your productivity soar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your digital work life.